Do you know why this milkfish steak is so incredibly tender? Don't skip this. It's simple, but extremely delicious. This might be the juiciest milkfish steak ever. But before anything else, please like my video, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's not beat around the bush anymore. Let's get started. First, let's slice the onions into rings. We'll use them as decoration for our milkfish steak. Slice the onion for sautéing. Do the same with the garlic. I ran out of calamansi, so I used tamarind mix instead. I used 1/4 cup soy sauce. 1/4 cup water. Added 4 tablespoons of flour to coat the milkfish. Arrange the sliced milkfish one by one, then season with salt and pepper. Trivia: milkfish is the national fish of the Philippines. It is one of the most widely farmed fish in Southeast Asia. It is loved for its mild and slightly sweet flavor. Perfect for frying, grilling, or making steak. What makes milkfish unique is that it has many tiny bones, but Filipinos have mastered ways to prepare it so it becomes enjoyable and delicious in every bite. That's why Filipinos love this so much, especially when it's boneless. Perfect as finger food when drinking with friends, or a tasty meal for lunch, and even dinner. Turn it over and do the same on the other side. These are the coated milkfish ready to be fried. Add a moderate amount of oil to the pan. When the oil is already hot, drop the fish one by one into the pan. These are the coated milkfish ready to be fried. Flip it over so it cooks evenly on both sides. Repeat. Then remove and set aside for a while. Continue cooking the remaining fish. Remove it from the pan and set it aside for a while. Fry the remaining fish as well. Clean the pan and place it back on the stove. Saute the minced onions. Then add the garlic. Pour in the soy sauce. Add water. Tamarind mix. Add more water if needed. Seasoning. To thicken the sauce, we will add a slurry. Let's taste it. It's delicious. Put the fish back into the pan. I will now add the onion rings for decoration. Transfer the fish to a tray. Pour the very thickened sauce. This milkfish steak is flavorful and tender.